world to express the truth and to save us. We hear God's voice and are raptured before the throne to attend the feast, to attend the feast. We enjoy God's words and live before Him with joyful singing and laughter. It's a joy without end. When brothers and sisters meet, we feel close to each other, and our joy is inexpressible.
We fellowship on God's words and share our testimonies. Understanding the truth brings us, there is such joy.
No rituals, no regulations, all is free and liberated. We enjoy God's words and live before Him with joyful singing and laughter. It's a joy without end. Brothers and sisters, experience God's word. We accept and submit to His judgment and chastisement.
We cast off our deceit and become honest. We love each other without barriers.
We submit to the truth and don't lack no feelings. Through judgment, no corruption is cleansed. We enjoy God's words and live before Him with joyful singing and laughter. It's a joy without end. Brothers and sisters, rise up. Let's be of one mind in the fulfillment of our duties. Let's spread the kingdom gospel and bear witness to God, so that His intentions may be satisfied. Brothers and sisters, sing joyfully together. Voices raised in praise are so loud and clear. We enjoy God's words and live before Him with joyful singing and laughter. It's a joy without